Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn, coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. So for this week's vlog video, we basically do another challenge. Although me a run, it is not a running challenge. It's actually a bun eating challenge, guys. We basically go tie up the bun them pan to a string and see who can eat it the fastest. So that's the challenge. Let's get on to the video.
No. Oh, Jesus.
Right now, if you watch the video, yeah, me appreciate you. And because you make it this far, you get a prize. Yes, you over there, so you get a prize. This is another installment of Rush-Dem random giveaway of 200 digital credit. All you have to do, I put it in fast enough. The number is 0984084243267. One more time, 0984084243267. And I hit that. Wanna comment below and make me know if you get it. Please make me know if you get it. Comment below and make me know so you get it. Please. This is another installment of random Rush-Dem giveaways. You're welcome. You know watch my video them. But you not like it. You not hit that thumbs up button. You not comment below. Like, why not do it? Eh? Every week me there I make the video. And my day I look like some I talk to myself.
Yeah.
I know I might look mad in my video them. I know people might think some I no sense I'm crazy. Which that probably true. It probably true. But please guys, please. It's very important to me if you leave a comment below. Leave a comment below and let me know. Let me know what you think. Who not share my video there? Who like the video? Who leave a comment below? Share the video. Everything God. Everything God. Everything God. Everything God. Everything God.
The backyard, everything gone. Everything gone. Everything gone.
Your favorite how the causes. Yeah, idiot. No.
You tried it.
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that